Hi again, this is one of the most important parts of using VideoHQ. You don't really need video editing softwares like CapCut unless you really want very advanced video editing features. But VideoHQ provides you with basic video editing tools like trimming, cutting, rearranging your clips, adding songs, adding background music, and so on and so forth. So on your dashboard you can import the clips you have here. So when you select the video clip, say this one, we have already imported this, but let me just delete it and bring it in again. Assuming I want to bring it in, this is the video. I click here and I click add to timeline. It automatically adds to the timeline. I can play it to preview and see what my videos look like.
In a surprising turn of events, officials in Northern California are now investigating a series of small earthquakes that shook the region late last night. While no major damage has been reported.
Okay, so here's the thing. When we first started, nobody really knew what was going to happen, right?
I mean, video clips,
yeah, we had a plan, but let's be honest, plans change.
So another thing that is quite important to explain is that we already generating our assets here. You can brainstorm right here, so you don't really need to go to ChatGPT or Cloud or any other AI platform. You can ask okay, so you can discuss about your video, how do I generate voice. Okay, so it will tell you how you do that, which we've already shown in part of this video. If you get confused or maybe you want to plan your scripts, you can generate your scripts or your storylines here. But in the next video, we'll be looking at creating a project from using the AI wizard, and that will be very, very interesting. I just want to show you the tools that you have, or the controls that you have here. So while you're working, you can use this button to save. It saves your timeline so that whenever you come back, let's assume you go back to your dashboard and you click here and come back, your timeline data is still there. This is delete. When you select an item, you can click here to delete it. This is your undo and this is your redo. And one important thing for this clip, this is a 5 seconds clip. You can either adjust it this way, assuming you want to increase the timing. Maybe you want this to repeat this clip.
But let's be honest, plans change. And sometimes you just have to trust the process, even when it feels kind of messy.
Exhausted.
But wow,
if
looking
you are
back
on
now,
mobile, if you're on mobile or if you're on your phone, you will not be able to have this control of adjustment. So you can just click on the clip and click on time. Here, this is 13 seconds. You can either increase or reduce the duration of this video. If you want to split your video, let's say you want to cut some part of this video, you can put your cursor here and select the clip you want to split and click on split. Now, another important thing is that you can switch the orientation at which you want to export. This is portrait and this is landscape. So when you are done with your studio, or when you are done with your video and you are satisfied, what you do next is to click on export. So it will combine the whole clips that you have here into a single video that you can download and publish on your social media. So we see here that it's exporting. When the export is ready, when the export is ready, then the thumbnail will change to an actual video. Okay, our export is ready. When you click on the exported video, this is the
in a surprising turn of events,
including
officials in Northern California are now investigating a series of small earthquakes that shook the region late last night.
Voice.
While no major damage has been reported.
Okay, so here's the thing. when we first started, nobody really knew what was going to happen, right? I mean, yeah, we had a plan, but let's be honest, plans change. And sometimes you just have to trust the process, even when it feels kind of messy. But wow, looking back now, I'm honestly glad we kept going.